Welcome back. I'm here with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George, and it's time for another quick bite.
We are going to be making a little dessert slash snack slash all healthy options today. So, have you heard of energy bites before?
I have, yes.
Okay.
And I've made them.
Most people have. So, some people call them energy bites, some people call them protein bites, protein balls, whatever.
Yeah.
And so we have a little bit of a different variation because I feel like most of them include chocolate. And that's totally okay. But sometimes people are like, I don't really love chocolate, which who knew that was a thing? But we're going to do a non-chocolate based energy bite today. So strawberry shortcake is our
I would never think to
theme.
use strawberry.
Yes.
I'm excited.
So we'll talk just a little bit about the basis of our energy bites, and the first is going to be oatmeal. So oatmeal tends to be the basis oftentimes. We're going to do 1 cup of oats. I already have it in my bowl, and this is going to be our carbohydrate source, which is going to provide us some good energy, which makes it a great snack for sure. So 1 cup of the oatmeal. We are also going to use flaxseed. This is ground flaxseed, and we are going to utilize the ground flaxseed for great omega-3s, really good fiber source. So again, what makes an energy bite healthy? Everything I'm talking about. So that is going to be, that is in as well. We're going to use 3/4 of a cup. We are also going to use honey. Honey is essential in this because it is really what sticks it together. So with that, it's about 1/4 of a cup of honey, and then peanut butter. And I will tell you, have you seen the squeezable peanut butter?
Well, I think like little squeezable ones, but
this is amazing if you're just like making some recipes instead of like digging it out. Literally, it's got a little opener, and then we're going to use about 1/2 cup of the peanut butter in here. I do have some in, and it doesn't make a mess. Look at that. You just close it and store it.
Well, that's convenient.
My goodness, I love it already. So we're going to use about 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and then protein powder of your choice. So, you know, if you say, what's your favorite protein powder? That is a super hard question because everybody has different likes. I am using the Orgain protein powder in this one. I utilize a lot of different ones. This is a plant-based protein powder, and it is vanilla flavor. We're going to put 2 scoops in there, and that is already in there. And then what makes our what makes our strawberry shortcake protein bites strawberry? It can't be fresh because it would get too mushy, and then they would spoil very quickly. So we are going to utilize freeze-dried strawberries. And this is not dried strawberries, these are freeze-dried strawberries. So oftentimes they're going to come like this. If you shake them, it actually sounds like potato chips. If you open it up, a freeze-dried strawberry looks as such. Some people will say like, oh, those are the strawberries that are in like Special K cereal. I'm like, yes, those are exactly it. So what I have done is I've taken this and I've crushed it up to a powder, and so we're going to add that. You're going to just see as it goes in. It is kind of just like a powder. So we've crushed it up, and so this is what's going to give it the strawberry flavor. And then from here, we're going to add just a little bit of vanilla as well. And this is just going to give it a little bit of flavor. So from here, it's not super hard to do. My kids love to make these. You are just going to start to incorporate it, and it's going to feel dry. Like, do I have enough in here? And the answer is yes, it is right. You just kind of have to keep working it, and then once you get everything kind of mixed together, all you do is form them into balls, much like you would cookies. So from here, you're just going to kind of squeeze them together, ball them up, and protein bites done. So very simple. It is about 100 calories per bite, about 6 grams of protein. So they make really great snacks, and can be like a nice little sweet treat at the end of the meal if that's what you need. With some of this, I do want to talk about our upcoming health fair that we're having here at Hy-Vee on January 21st, which is a Saturday from 10 to 1. We will be showcasing healthy items every department. So we will be having samples, we'll be having demos, we'll be having sales, we'll have community members and organizations here promoting health-focused businesses. So we would encourage you to come out. There will be lots of prizes.
All right, sounds good. Kaiti, thanks.
Yes.